Good evening. Welcome to my trading view for 28th May 2021. Today, Nifty opened mildly flatter at 15,320 before slipping into sub 15,300 levels. Finally, it made a high of 15,384, closed at 15,337. We can see that today Nifty has made a solid candle and the close was towards the higher end of the day. This being monthly expiry, we can see the expiry concluded on a positive note. Going forward, Nifty has closed above its smaller frame hurdle of 15,330, which I had mentioned 2 days ago. Looking forward, we can see Nifty attempting 15,430. That is its all-time high. If tomorrow being the weekly close, if it sustains above 15,430, we can see some more upside in Nifty. Going on to hourly charts, we can see after making a low here at about 230, there was strong buying at this particular level, showing that the further momentum is with the uptrend. So what if there is any short dip coming towards 15,270 levels, it can be utilized to buy into Nifty. Stop loss for positional longs in Nifty is now placed at 15,170 levels. For short-term traders, they can keep their stop loss at 15,270. Moving on to Bank Nifty, I have been mentioning that Bank Nifty was consolidating between 35,000 and 34,200 300 levels. Finally, it moved up today and closed above 35,000, which is a good sign. Now for Bank Nifty, positional traders can place their stop loss at about 34,300 levels. For short-term traders, they can maintain a stop loss at 34,700 for a immediate target of 35,500. Finally, we will take a look at Nifty IT chart, which has given an excellent breakout yesterday and we had a very good follow through today. Immediate target for Nifty IT is immediate target for IT Nifty is 27,500, which was its previous high. Looks like it is going to surpass its life highs this time around.